All right, guys, so this is the latest and greatest demo for us, continuing on our journey down the Battleship game within the VR environment. So over here, what we have is like a onboarding. It's like a menu that will give you the rules of the game. So let's go ahead and click on continue. So over here we have use trigger to choose orientation and the grab key to choose a board piece and place it onto your board. So if you take a look at your controller, this trigger button, basically that's the trigger button that is utilized to interact with any of the UI objects. And the grab button, this is the grab button over here, whether it's on the left hand side or the right hand side. You can utilize that to actually interact with the interactables. So we'll use the trigger to basically interact with the UI. Over here, we have the game menu. If you use the trigger, we can change the orientation of the board piece that we are going to place onto the board. And we'll use the grab, right? We'll use the grab to basically change the type of board piece that we want to place onto it. So let's go ahead and place this board and change the orientation. Grab this one. And notice while we are trying to place the pieces onto the board, if there is a collision, we get like a visual warning over there. And you won't be able to actually place the board. And once you get all greens, meaning that you're okay to place, then we are gonna be fine. Let's go ahead and change the orientation again one more time. Place it over there. And the last one. Excellent. So after this particular, the last piece placement, what will happen is that, right, so use the grab key to choose a board piece and place it onto the board. And then finally, we are ready to start the game. So once we have placed all of the board pieces onto the board, the next step would be to basically start attacking the enemy's board. And this logic has not been implemented in the VR yet, so we will be doing that next. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is an AI generated video. So let's take a look at it. All right, so that's it. This is a sneak peek of what we are going to be covering in our next upcoming episode, as far as how to go about putting all of these things together, plus the actual code that will enable you to do all of the interactability. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye.